10 USD. Yes, $10 per click on your old notebook, old study notes, old quizzes, old textbooks, and everything that you have learned, you have passed. Okay, so old study notes, old homework books, you just upload it on this platform and you are going to earn $10 per view from a student. Yes, this is what I'm going to show you guys. So I'll be showing you this website which is called studypool.com. So you just search this website on your machine or your device, and you just have to register, just have to sign up on this platform. So after you sign up, this is the interface that you are going to see. So you see all subjects. We have business, we have humanity, mathematics, programming, science, and writing. So there are two ways that you can make money from this platform. That is by selling documents and become a tutor. So today's video, we are basing on how to make 10 from this platform by selling documents. So we are going to sell our old materials here for students to learn in order to get this amount of money. Okay, so without wasting much of a time, let me take you through what you have to do if you want to upload your old textbooks, old homework, and so on in order to get this $10. Okay, so let me take you. So first of all, you just, after you click here, you just go to sell documents. So we are going to sell documents to the student. Okay, so here you just have to, let me show you this. So as you can see, top earners, you see this guy is earning 92.112. This guy is earning $90. This guy is getting $78. So people are cashing a lot of money from this platform. So what are you going to do? So what's to upload? So let me show you things that you need to upload here in order to make this money. Practice text, exam preparation materials, and study guide can be helpful. Old assignment, okay, past homework, project report, detailed class and lecture notes. So you can upload all these notes in so that you'll be able to get this $10 per view from a student. So all what you have to do is that you just gather these notes by handwriting, or you just do it in Word, or you type it and you come to upload. Okay, so you just click on upload and it will take you to your phone or the laptop that you are using, and you just select the file. Okay, just select the file. So as you can see, yesterday I just uploaded. So this is what I uploaded. Just select it and then you hit on open to upload it. So after you upload it, this is what you are going to see. You will see document approved, you see document decline, and document pending. So as you can see, the document that I uploaded yesterday is still pending approval. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to be approved. So you just, when you scroll down, you will see things that you need to do, tips. So help students to find your document by providing strong title. So you have to make sure that you are providing a strong title, a searchable title, which will help students to find your document so that you're able to get $10 per view. Okay, so as you can see, this is what I uploaded yesterday and it is processing. Okay, this is how you can upload your document and you'll be making money from it. Okay, now let me show you this. Was when you scroll down, you will see all the do's and don'ts, what you have to do, things you need to do in order to get your document approved. So you have a essay draft, how to go about it. We have mathematics practice, how to go about it. So this site shows the effective or the good way of uploading your videos, and this side also show the bad way that your document can be rejected or declined. So you just have to come here, study the pattern so that you will be able to provide accurate documents. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to show is that after you have uploaded your document and you get a view, how are you going to get your money? So you just click here, three dot lines here, we have menu. You click on menu here, then you just scroll down. Okay, you just have to scroll down. you click menu and you scroll down, you will see balance. Okay, you will see what my balance. You click on that, my balance, and then you just wait for it to open, and you see amount of money that you have earned from this platform. When you click on balance, this is what you are going to see. Okay, you see this one, withdrawal money. So you see a whole lot of payment method available. Payon is here, PayPal is here, Wise is here, Western Union is here, and you scroll down, you see bank, straight bank account is here, check is here, and Pesa is also here. And all these platform comes with what, a charge or a fee. So you just look the one which will be suitable for you, then you select. Okay, you just select and you upload, you update any information that you need, so that you'll be able to withdraw your money. So the threshold, the minimum threshold is what, $50. So you have to make $50. Minimum amount for withdrawal is what, $50. So you need to get $50 before you can withdraw your money. And getting the $50 from this platform is very easy, because a day you can get more than $50 if student clicks or view your document. This is how you can make this free $10 by student viewing your document.